Did you know that there are residence restrictions as well as limitations on absences from the state for public officers and employees? The California Government Code imposes a number of these restrictions on officers and employees. It's in Article 3 of Chapter 1 of Division 4 of Title 1. It was actually enacted back in 1943. Government Code Section 1060 first requires that certain officers that are specified maintain their offices in the city of Sacramento. Those are the governor, the secretary of state, the controller, the treasurer, the attorney general, superintendent of public instruction, justices of the Supreme Court, the clerk and the reporters of the Supreme Court, and the adjutant general. Also, Government Code Section 1061 requires the directors of each department who are a member of the governor's council to reside in Sacramento. Section 1062 of the Government Code prohibits any state or municipal officers from being absent from the state for more than 60 days unless they're on official business or they have the consent of the legislature or the governing body to do so. Note that this prohibition does not apply to the governor, lieutenant governor, secretary of state, attorney general, controller, treasurer, superintendent of public instruction, a member of the State Board of Equalization, a member of the State Personnel Board, or a member of the legislature. Now, nonetheless, Section 1062 also says that none of these specified individuals can actually reside outside of the state of California. Then Section 1063 prohibits any officer of a county or judicial district from being absent from the state for more than 30 days unless they're on official business or they have the consent of the county board of supervisors. And then finally, there's Government Code Section 1064 that prohibits any member of the governing board of a school district or a community college district from being absent from the state for more than 60 days, again, unless they're on official business with the approval of their relevant board, or they're on federal military deployment, which is not to extend or exceed 6 months.